Hello techies, welcome to IT Tech Solution. So today in this learning series of PySpark, we will see how we can run select queries directly on the files without reading the files or without creating a temporary table or even without writing it into a permanent table. So without doing these operations, directly we can see the contents of the file and then we can do some operations on it. And once the operations are done and we are satisfied with it, we can then write it back into any table. So to see that, again I'm just writing running the spark session creation command. This will create the spark session. Once the spark session is created, we can use spark.sql and directly we can run the select query on top of the file. Okay, so I am running the select star query on parquet file, and the file name we need to pass with a dot. After dot we are passing users dot parquet file. This is the file name and this is the format. Okay, we are specifying to read that from this file. So let's just do a select star from here. As you can see, it is able to read the file and then it was able to run the query. We can do any conditions also here, like if I just want to read the name from here, I can give select name from this, or even I can do a select star from this, and I can give like a where condition as we give normally in any SQL. So where I can say maybe name is equals to, and then let's say as Ben. Okay, if we run this, it will give me only one record saying that Ben. Okay, so this way we can run any type of simple SQL queries directly on the file. Same thing we can do on CSV as well. So spark.sql, and without reading the CSV file, we are just doing a select star from CSV dot, and this is my sample file that I have placed in my root folder, sample file.csv. So this file I am just reading it here, and then after reading I'll be just doing a show to see whether it is reading it successfully or not. And you can see it is able to read it. The only thing is it is also including key and value, that is headers here. So to exclude it, what we can do, we can add any filter condition here to exclude it, and we can clean this data. So what we can do is we can just add one where condition, and we can say which is not equals to key, because this key is the header here. So I just want to remove the header, so let's run this. So we are able to get the required rows only and not the any unexpected results in it. So this way we can read the CSV file, run the queries on top of it, and we can use it to finally write it into any table if we want. So I hope this was a small video, but it was useful for you. If it was useful, please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any further informative videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.